Hi, welcome to HostCode's new WordPress tutorial video. Today I am going to show you how to add plugins to your new WordPress website. So basically plugins are the kinds of application which helps you to add functionality, customize and enhance your WordPress website. So to add new plugins, first of all you have to log in to your WordPress dashboard. And on the left side bar of your WordPress dashboard, you will find the plugins options there, and you just need to click on add new option to visit the WordPress plugin directory page from where you can install new plugins. There are thousands of plugins available out there. You can filter and add plugins as per your requirement. Also, you can check the most popular plugins used on WordPress website just by clicking on the popular tab, and it will show you the popular WordPress plugins. Else, you can use the search bar option to find out the right plugin of your choice. So here I will type website builder and will hit enter. It will back with all the popular website builder plugins available there to install. So you can just scroll up and check what are the available plugins to customize your WordPress website. So from there I will only install Elementor plugin. So I will scroll up and will just click on install now option to install the Elementor plugin. So you can see it's installing the plugin and it's installed. Also, we can click on the plugin name to find out more information and details about the plugin. For example, you can find out the functionalities the plugin is offering and how to install, installation guide, FAQs, and sometimes the reviews of that plugin by the user. You can simply close the tab. Now to activate that plugin, just click on activate and it will activate your plugin instantly. All the instant plugins are available on the install plugin page, and from there you can either enable, disable or delete that plugin. If you want to use the functionalities of your install plugin, you can check the left sidebar, and from there you can find the functionalities and options to use it, or sometimes the plugin is available on the settings menu. So you can also check settings if you are not finding that plugin on the left sidebar. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like.